Sergeant R. Flores and Detectives A. Hurtado and R. Anderson of the HPD Special Investigations Unit reported. Members of the HPD Narcotics Unit were conducting a multi-agency narcotics investigation in the area. As part of the investigation, HPD Highway Interdiction Unit officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle driven by Bryan that was stopped at a gas station. Officers approached the vehicle, made contact with the driver, and asked him to exit the vehicle. The suspect, Bryan, pulled out a gun and fired several shots at the officers. Officer Sallee was shot in the process. Officers Sallee and McMurtry fired their duty weapons and shot the suspect. Officer Sallee was transported to the hospital in a private vehicle in stable condition. Houston Fire Department paramedics transported the suspect to an area hospital in stable condition.
Is this your truck? Sir. How long you been having it? 2018. Since how long? 2018. Alright, you got driver's license on you, buddy? Where you headed to?
Right now,
what?
I'm gonna get a hotel.
Oh, that's all right.
What time?
Yeah.
Well, I was gonna take some of my staples soon.
Okay. You got any weapons in here, brother?
Yes.
Okay. Is that an ankle monitor?
Yes, sir, it is. GPS, small amount of bomb.
What are you doing on your phone?
I can show you some pictures of the truck.
Of what?
The vehicle when I first got it.
Oh, don't worry about me. Let's get that ID. Can't see what you're eating for, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
You don't have the ID on you? Here, why don't you do me a favor, take off your seatbelt and stand out. Did you just see me? Look at me. Take off your seatbelt.
Are you requesting me?
I'm telling you to take off your seatbelt and step out. Why don't we do this? Put your hands. Come on. All right.
I've been hit! I've been hit!
Partner, are you good?
I've been hit!
God damn it.
I've been hit!
Where are you hit? He's
Femur!
down. He's down.
Femur!
Hey, hey.
Where you hit? Where you hit?
Femur.
Get him in the back of my truck!
No, tourniquet. We need a tourniquet now.
I've been hit. Jen.
I got it.
I'm fine.
Hey, I'm bleeding a lot. He's high up.
High up.
Yeah. What's up, brother? Hey, how we doing? You in park? Is this your truck?
Sir.
How long you been having it?
2014.
Since how long?
2018.
All right, you got driver's license on you, buddy? Where you headed to?
Well, right now,
What?
I'm gonna go get a hotel.
Oh, that's where we're at.
I'm not sure yet. Well, I was gonna take some of my stuff to storage.
Okay. You got any weapons in here, brother?
Yes.
Okay. Is that an ankle monitor?
Yes, sir, it is. GPS, small amount of bomb.
What are you doing on your phone?
I can show you some pictures of the truck.
Of what?
The vehicle when I first got it.
Oh, don't worry about it, man. Let's get that ID. Yeah, you're fine. You don't have the ID on you? Here, why don't you do me a favor, take off your seatbelt and step out. Did you just see me? Look at me. Take off your seatbelt.
Are you requesting me?
I'm telling you to take off your seatbelt and step out. Why don't we do this? Put your hands. All right. Partner, are you good?
I've been hit!
God damn it.
I've been hit! Shit!
Where are you hit? He's down. He's down.
Femur! Fuck!
Hey, hey.
Where you hit? Where you hit?
Femur.
Back of my truck! Hit him in the back of my truck!
No. We need a tourniquet now.
I've been hit.
Jen.
Fuck, I got it.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Hey. I'm bleeding a lot. Put it in park. I can't see what you reach for, man.
Oh, sorry. No, yeah.
Okay.
Take my license number and your license. You don't have any idea on me? Here, why don't you do me a favor? Take off the step out. Just put your hands.
I've been hit! I've been hit!
Are you good?
I've been hit!
God damn it.
I've been hit!
Where are you hit?
Femur!
Down.
Femur!
Fuck. Hey, hey.
Where you hit? Where you hit?
Femur!
Back of my truck! Hit him in the back of my truck!
No, tourniquet, tourniquet. We need a tourniquet now.
I've been hit.
Fuck, get him. I got it. I got it. Hey,
I'm bleeding a lot. Where's he hit?
watch the.
Yeah.
He's hit multiple places.
I think the valve was bigger than the femur.
He said they maybe an ankle monitor. Move. Hey, come on. I got his head. What you want?
Stay my leg. You stay there, please. Stay my leg, please.
Hey, don't move.
Stay my leg, please.
Don't move.
Stay, please. Stay my leg, please.